What's up, guys? This is Polish Bullet hitting you with another video. Before we start anything, we just hit 400 subscribers yesterday. I had a really long week, and when I saw that yesterday, I was like super happy. Thank you guys for all the support, watching my videos, making laugh at me probably from my accent and stuff like that, especially from my last video. I know it was a little bit supposed to be funny, but maybe not everybody liked it. But yeah, I want to just thank you guys very much, for the support. We're gonna grow even stronger. Next goal is 500 subscribers. We can finally, unlock the community post tab, whatever it's called, so I can finally show you a couple of stuff I want to show you, that like, video photos and stuff like that, polls, so yeah, one more time, thank you guys very much for that, and let's go back to the video. So as you guys can see, the car is filthy after the whole week, actually 2 weeks of not cleaning. I just stopped by the car wash real quick last weekend, and that was it. Everything's dusty. So first thing first, we're gonna stop by the gas station, the car wash, vacuum it a little bit and wash the car later on. So yeah, let's make it happen. Oh, by the way, I just hit 15,000 miles on my car, so that was so funny. That was literally Friday. You guys gave me 400 subscribers. I hit 15,000 miles on my car the same day, so that's funny. Okay, let's go to the car wash. Driving this car, guys, never gets old. You get in on it, listen. Oh, it changed the gear. Let's listen to some pops. I hope you guys can hear it. Before I get out, it's pretty noisy over here. We got a new car wash. The car wash is not new itself, but they just added those beautiful vacuums and compressed air. So that's pretty cool. I kind of feel bad. You can't even pay for them, so those are free. Sometimes I feel bad I can use their car wash. I only use it with the Kia Sorento we got, but I don't want to put my Elantra through the brushes over there inside. So yeah, but that's pretty cool. Give me a couple of minutes. I'm gonna clean up my car real quick, and we go to the other car wash so we can actually wash the car. Oh baby, we got it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the car looks 120 times better. Seats, everything, steering wheel, boom boom boom. Good Hyundai, good. Okay guys, we're done with vacuuming. Now it's time to go and wash the car. By the way, I'm doing everything today because tomorrow, maybe some of you guys don't know, is September 18, which is Hyundai Day. So we got a little car meet. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, so our car meet is at Woodfield Mall, 5 Woodfield in Schaumburg. So if somebody watching the video and he don't know about it, just whatever Hyundai you got, you can just come and show up, have some laughs and stuff like that, talk a little bit, and chit chat, have some fun, and that's it. KDM for life. Nah, just kidding. I love all the cars. So actually I want to talk about Corolla GR today, but let me get to the car wash first, and then we can do it. Okay guys, sorry I couldn't record anything while cleaning my car, but there were some people looking at me sideways. You know how it is when you go to automatic car wash or even self-serve and you take out your buckets out. It's never fun, people look at you like crazy. So yeah, I want to talk about the Corolla GR. What do you guys think about it? I know it's not really a competitor to Elantra N. It's kind of a Golf R, I guess, and WRX because of the all-wheel drive, I'm sorry. So well, we got 300 horsepower, we got a manual transmission. It looks pretty decent actually. The standard version, it's okay. the circuit one with the big wing. I don't know if you guys seen the big wing, because most of the time they show just a regular spoiler up top, but if with the big wing it looks actually pretty cool, pretty aggressive. And then you got the Morizo edition, which is like track focus, Cup 2 tires, lightweight, and limited edition. I think up to 200 cars, so that's even that's crazy. So yeah, and the pricing actually is not that bad for the standard one. It's only, I mean only, if you can say that, but for this class of a car I think it's not bad. $37,000 I think. Then we got $44,000 for the circuit edition, and the Morizo is like 51 or something. I mean that's crazy for a Corolla. $50,000, you know. You gotta be a really super crazy fanboy to actually buy that, and you gotta be lucky. And I'm pretty sure it ain't gonna be $51,000. It's probably gonna be marked up another 30,000 or so. You know what I mean? So yeah, I mean they look pretty cool. The inside, actually I like the Elantra inside more. You know, we got dual screen and everything, you know, nice bucket seats and stuff like that. The Corolla looks kind of a basic, if you ask me, you know. I mean it's not like we got a super premium class comparing to some Mamalas, right? But I don't know, you really gotta like the Corollas. Never been into Toyotas really. I mean I like Supra and stuff, but you know, the older gen. The new gen is pretty nice too, but I've never been a big Corolla fan, like Toyota in general. So I don't know what you guys think, because it's, you know, it's getting tight in our market per se. You know, there's more new cars coming out right now. We got even the new Mustang's gonna be coming out. I know it's not the same thing, you know. I guess we're gonna talk about it a little bit in the next video, but Mustang EcoBoost might be appealing to a lot of people looking for that type of a car, you know, around $30,000, $35,000 ish. Not the GT, which is gonna be probably 40 and up minimum. But yeah, I mean, let me guys know what you think. I'm trying to focus my channel, you know. Obviously I love my Elantra and stuff, but I try to maybe expand it a little bit into car reviews and stuff like that. You know, I gotta find some time. Obviously I'm working 9 to 5. I'm a carpenter. Many times I'm just really tired after work to do anything, and I don't want to be in front of the camera, you know, dying or hurting or whatever, you know, just not in the mood to do any content for you guys. I mean, we try to build a community over here. So yeah, I mean, tell me what you guys think. Maybe you guys can give me some more ideas, you know. You know, everything's welcome. I take the criticism pretty well. I don't have problem with that. You know, if you think I should do something better, something different, let me know. But you know, in a normal way, not like mean way and stuff, you know, like, oh, you suck, bro, and stuff like that. So I don't want to swear. So yeah, let me guys know about the Corolla, and what do you think about we should do with the channel going forward, if it's okay, if you guys interested in stuff like that, like, you know, just regular content, reviews, car reviews, maybe test drive. If I can actually talk to the dealer, maybe they can give me a car, you know, to just film it, test drive it or something like that. Sorry about the alarm, by the way. I know it's super twitchy. I got the keys in my pocket, so yeah. Every time I swap across the handle, it just turns it on or turns it off or just beeps. So yeah, let me guys know, and when I get home I'll finally pick a winner. I mean, the computer will pick the winner for my carbon fiber car wrap. If you guys still remember, I know it's supposed to be done probably a week or 2 weeks ago. So yeah, we do that, and thank you for the support. 400 subscribers, guys. I mean, it means a lot to me. Okay, uh, I started this channel just to have fun, you know, find people with a similar interest and stuff like that. You know, I make decent money in the carpentry, so it wasn't my first choice to, you know, start the channel. And you know, I gotta make the money, I gotta drive a Lambo and stuff like that. You know, it's not my intent. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell I'm a genuine person. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You know, I see you in a few more minutes. You know, we're gonna pick the winner for the car wrap, and maybe some of you who's watching my content right now, maybe we can see each other tomorrow at the South September 18 Hyundai Day at Woodfield Mall. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, I'm at home already, done with cleaning for today, so let's go back to our giveaway. This is it, 5 feet by 5 feet carbon fiber car wrap. I hope it's gonna do whoever wins any good. You know, maybe you can wrap something. I know it's not brand new, I mean, I never use it obviously, but you know, it was just in my closet. I wanted to do a couple of stuff with it, but I never got a chance to do anything with it. So maybe you guys can you know, wrap a hood or something, you know, at least have some use for it, not like me. So I'm gonna show you my screen. We're gonna do a raffle right now, and whoever wins wins. All right, so let's get to it. All right guys, of course gotta be Elantra on the screen, obviously. So yeah, we already filled on all the information. The text was carbon fiber, if you guys can see it, I hope. Hold on, let me zoom it in a little bit. Okay, carbon fiber. That's the video when I was doing the wrap. That's when I asked you guys for to put the carbon fiber in the comment section so you can enter the raffle. So yeah, random names. Let's go. We got, okay, I think we gotta go one more time. Okay, we got 3 comments. Okay, so 3 people eligible to take a part in the raffle. Okay, let's go. Okay, and Shavatako, you won the you won the giveaway. You're gonna get your wrap. I remember you said, yeah, oh yeah, it shows the whole comment. You said you're gonna use it in your S10 drug truck. So I hope you'll do that and send us the photo, okay? So yeah, congratulations, my friend. And I'll gonna post my link, not link, my email address. You know, it's in my bio, but I'm gonna put it in the video anyways. So congratulations one more time, my friend. And yeah, send me an email, okay? Send me an email so you can contact me so I can send it to you. One more time, congratulations, and thanks for taking part in the raffle. Okay guys, so we got a winner. Shava Taco, you got the beautiful wrap. You know, you can put it on your truck and stuff. I'm gonna include my email, like I said, and congratulations. You know, I'm gonna try to do more giveaways, stuff like that. You know, I actually played out perfectly. I reached 400 subscribers goal, so that was one of my little milestones. Next one is 500. Maybe we can do something over there. If not, we're gonna wait till 1,000. We'll see. But thanks again, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.